Welcome my dear students, I am CA Gayatri Sangam and today we are going to discuss about relevant cost, sunk cost and opportunity cost and how they are utilized in the business decision making. Sunk cost is a cost which has been already incurred in the business and which is irrecoverable. And this sunk costs are irrecoverable, so since they are irrecoverable, they are not used for business decision making purposes. Then we speak of opportunity cost. Opportunity cost is the implicit cost, or you can say they're the potential benefits we have foregone in selection one course of action among different courses of actions available. Okay? So that is the opportunity cost which we have missed. Okay, so that cost is very subjective, and since it is subjective, it is used in the managerial decision making. Okay, it is useful. And then we speak about relevant cost. What is relevant cost? Relevant cost is the future cost or expenses which you have to incur in selection of a specific decision making or specific alternative among 2 or 3 alternatives available. So it is different for different alternatives, and this cost is very much vital for any future decision making. So we see among the three, the thing only sunk cost is a cost which cannot be used for any major decision making or future prospects. Thank you.